Guys, today I'm going to cook a Boro style smoked pork with potato recipe, and this is my first time covering a video on a firewood cooking. So I'm going to pour in the mustard oil. We don't need it so much because there's a lot of fat that's going to ooze out from the meat itself, and this is really simple, and I'm sure you are going to love it as much as we do. So do watch the whole video till the end. The first ingredient that we are going to throw in is our dried bay leaf. You can use fresh ones too. And just gently going to stir it so that the oil is beautifully infused with bay leaf. And our fire has just started. I'm gonna throw in these finely chopped onions. And I must say a big thank you to Banchi for helping me, prepare all these ingredients. Or I would rather say a big thank you as well to Devo for helping me with the firewood, who's an expert in it, and Peter right here next to me. She's really camera shy, and I hope you can hear the beautiful sound of splattering of these onions. And at the same time, we are going to add the other ingredients. That's garlic, which has been roughly pounded, and ginger, which is finely chopped. Just ensure that you add more garlic and less of ginger. So I think this much should be sufficient. And then goes our split green chilies. I'm not going to add too much as there are kids at home. Yeah. Then goes in our salt. I'm going to add them all. I have measured it based on the amount of meat and pork that we have. Pork and potatoes that we have, as well as the turmeric powder. Now we shall open cook and keep frying this until it's completely, I would say, cooked and becomes really tender. The onions are already turning translucent, as you can see. Okay, here's our pork, smoked pork, which is about 2 kilos. And there you go. Already smelling really good. And then we have to throw in these potato halves at the same time. Like I said, the dish is very simple. So if you are interested to learn how to cook pork meat, this is one of the dishes that I will highly recommend. And then stir it well. Ensure that it's mixed really well, and I have to tuck in some of this firewood now. Creating a lot of smoke. I'm going to fetch some water here.
Còn phu thì còn phu. Mời đâu con chứ? Bật lên nào.
Add in little water because the heat is really catching up now, and we are not going to make it a gravy, so we're going to gently cook it with little water, and then I'm going to cover this, so I'll have to get the lid. Okay, our Miss Banshi just left a really big piece. Looks like it's for herself. The fat has already begun to melt, and it will get gently infused deep into these potatoes, especially the smoky flavor, both from the meat and from the firewood today. So really looking forward to having some amazing meal with this, and I'm going to cover and cook it now. So it's gonna be like this for 10 minutes, and then we will check and again see where we are. Oh, one aloo just popped out and fell. Again, I'm gonna splash some water. So this time I'm going to add a slightly bit more than last time, about 1 cup, and just stir. Again, I'm going to cover and cook it for another 10 minutes.
Mấy nữa. Từ khi nào thế mà chưa mấy ngàn thế? Mà chỉ ra thế là sao chị em phải xem á?
Oh, the smoke.
Nghe đi.
Để bạc saya nam saya semua.
Abi kan sembar movie dia.
Tiga kali ya betul ya. Mas biar kerjaan nama saya semua.
Ông cha sao thế mình hả? Thì con mà nó mang đi ngaba, na mi bi ting ngaba.
Nah, buat yang sama be, dong deh.
Ani ai kan ba?
Ôi ơi, có phải ba dùng cái rồi không? À, bác.
Oh, smelling good.
Constructing chroma boots now.
Our dish looks almost done, and I'm just going to open cook it now for another 5 minutes. The color looks really inviting, and we all just can't wait to try it. So here is our oma with aloo. It's ready, and we are all ready to dig in. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you never miss an update. Woo! And I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, bye.
Finally, some chocolate.